Hi guys! First and foremost, let's acknowledge the presence of my old school rollers. Wala lang, nakita ko lang siya at feel kong gamitin. Ngayon, kapag iba yung hair ko by the end of the video or nakawig ako, ibig sabihin fail. Today's video, gagawa lang tayo ng simple makeup tutorial and I just wanna look really super cute. And sana kahit paano, I can give you an idea on how you can do your everyday makeup for work or you know. Bahala ka na ako sa mga gamitin yung mga makeup ideas na mababato ko sa iyo today. I look so crazy. Anyway, we're going to start up. I'm going to use, again, this is like my current favorite, Fresh Skin Lab Milk White Tone Up Cream. For foundation, gagamitin guys mga favorite ko. Super affordable, really good quality. Yung Fashion 21 Ultimate Cover. For the eyebrows, wala pa rin akong nabibiling bagong eyebrow products, so I'm still going to stick with my Skin Potions Brow of Wonders. I'm gonna do it off cam na. Ilang beses yun na nakita today. Shadows muna tayo. For today, I just want to do a cute makeup, but I'm also thinking of doing a parang berry pinky makeup. Alam mo yun? I'm going to use itong sa FS Cosmetics Filipina eyeshadow palette in the shade Iniibig. Really good quality, really good color choices. Tayong pagpatupik-tupik pa, diretso na natin i-take. Light lang, slowly but surely ang lagay. And then I'm going to get itong shiny shimmering na Itechiwa. Then I'm going to get itong dark shade na Ite. And then ilalagay ko lang siya sa outer corners like I'm applying an eyeliner. Get my wet sponge and just clean the outer edges. Mag-eyeliner na rin ako. Next I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight my eye bags, and I'm just using a brown powder. And then using itong Fresh Skin Lab Milk White Tone Up Powder, lalagyan ko ng boundary yung eye bag and yung naglalagay lang akong boundary. And then using yung Sunny's Face face glass, I'm going to highlight my eye bags. I think I want to add a little bit of brown dun sa eyeshadow and then just darken up yung outer. I'm going to set muna the rest of my face. For contour guys, Ara colors muna ulit tayo. Meron akong bagong biniling contour and highlight. Pero it's for the next video na lang. For highlight and blush, magsasalady muna tayo. I found this really pinky blush na parang hindi ko pa nagagamit. Or nagamit ko na, pero ang sugal-sugal na since I last used it. I highlight muna pala. Hindi siya ganun kabongga. Gamitin ko muna itong sa Ara Colors. Buti pa ito, bongga. Oh. Parang gusto kong dagdagan yung highlight ko dito. Then for the blush, for the lips, a little bit of lip contour ulit. I hope you don't mind. For today, ang tagal ko nang ginagamit to. This is the Color Tint. And this is in the shade Esme. One of really beautiful shades. This is like a really berry shade. Ba't mukha siyang red? It's not red it's berry in person. I'm just going to smudge the gilid, the outer line, with my beauty sponge. Maglalagay pa pala ako ng Itachi wa.
You got me tripping ever since I saw you. I went slipping, didn't even know you. Couldn't even breathe without you. It's how I'm feeling, all I ever wanted. You, I'm digging, it's how you got me started. Couldn't even be without you. I wanna be by your side. That's what I'm trying to say. You got me breathless.
Alright guys, so I now have a bouncy hair. So yeah, this is the finished look right here. Hindi na ako nag-setting spray because I feel like I want to maintain this matte looking finish. Diba? Sometimes you want to go matte. Anyway, sana nag-enjoy kayo for today's video. If you have makeup tutorial requests or video requests, please comment it down below. Ang hirap magsalita with my retainers. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!